The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 has some big shoes to fill if it's to follow on from the impressive Galaxy Z Fold 3. But there's room for improvement, with the foldable phone's formula still not yet perfected. While a trickle of rumors is now starting to flow steadily for the Z Fold 4, there's still quite a bit we don't know. So we have collected all the leaks and rumors we have heard so far, and we have weighed in with our thoughts on what the Z Fold 4 needs to improve on if Samsung wants to continue to hold on to the best foldable phones crown with its next generation. Samsung will host a Galaxy Unpacked event on August 10, which is this coming Wednesday. The online-only event will start streaming at 9 AM ET or 6 AM PT. We have got a guide on how to watch the Samsung Unpacked live stream. We're pretty sure the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will debut at that time. In addition to the Fold, we are expecting to see Galaxy Z Flip 4, Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 2 at this event. We may see the new foldable debut with a different name, though one source is claiming the phone will be known as the Galaxy Fold 4, with the Z being removed due to its unfortunate connections with the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Samsung already did this with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 in certain countries, so it wouldn't surprise us to see it unify the name of its new foldable around the world. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 from 2020 launched at $1,200, which might suggest that after falling by $200 in 1 year, we may see a $400 drop over 2 years to $1,600 for the Z Fold 4. That would still be much more expensive than even the most fully spaced phablet style phone. But as the gap shrinks, more and more phone buyers will be tempted to go for a foldable. One Galaxy Z Fold 4 pricing possibility cited by both Korean leaker UX1122 on Korean site Naver and Woseung claims that the phone will be getting cheaper. Given that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 debuted at $1,800, that would be quite welcome news. However, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 could have a cheaper entry-level price, as Evenblast claims the company could offer a model with 128GB of onboard storage. Cutting the price of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 should certainly be a priority if Samsung wants the phone to be a more mainstream device, we think. Adding 128GB alongside the 256GB and 512GB storage models that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 offered would give Samsung the option of lowering the starting price of the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and that could even pave the way for a more affordable foldable phones. Just take the term affordable with a pinch of salt, as we don't expect even a lower spec Fold 4 under $1,000. Though a European retailer has leaked the Galaxy Z Fold 4 could get a small price hike, the Fold 4 will reportedly start at €1,864 for a model with 256GB storage, which is an increase of around $65 on the equivalent model of last year's flagship. Again, this leak should be taken with a pinch of salt, as it's just one retailer and prices can vary from place to place for all kinds of reasons, including individual markup and miscommunication. We have also heard from a Korean source that the price may not be rising or falling, but just staying the same, at least in one. Sure, we'd like a cheaper Z Fold 4 model, but we will take the same price over a higher one any day. For what it's worth, you can now reserve your place to pre-order whatever phone Samsung announces on August 10 by going to samsung.com. You can get up to a $200 credit if you are planning on bundling your phone purchase with a Galaxy Watch and earbuds. If you are just getting the phone, Samsung is offering a $100 credit to be used on select products at its online store. One recent camera has dismissed the idea of a new rear camera design for the Galaxy Z Fold 4, but it has thrown more weight behind the tip that the foldable phone will get a 50-megapixel main camera. While good, the 12-megapixel main camera can't keep up with that of the Galaxy S22, let alone the Galaxy S22 Ultra's 108 megapixel snubber. The 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel telephoto cameras are fine, but there's room for improvement with the main camera, and upping the main sensors to 50 megapixel could be the answer. Another rumor has the Galaxy Z Fold 4 has it tipped to get a 3x zoom optical zoom on the telephoto camera. Comparatively, the Galaxy Z Fold 3's telephoto cameras offer 2x optical zoom. So if this leaks comes to fruition, it would likely give the Galaxy Z Fold 4's noticeable boost in camera performance and pretty much the same camera setup as the Galaxy S22. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 introduced a big change compared to its previous Samsung phones, the company's first under-display camera on the main display. A Korean leaker claims that the Z Fold 4 could build on this by adding a second under-display camera to the curved display. However, the under-display camera has one of the weaker points of the Galaxy Z Fold 3, so having another one isn't ideal unless the Samsung works to improve it. And that's exactly what it's been tipped to do, with the Galaxy Z Fold 4 predicted to get a suite of under-screen camera improvement, including a 16 megapixel sensor up from a paltry 4 megapixel. It should be noted that not everyone backs the idea that Samsung is going to bolster the under-display camera with that size sensor. IC Universe tweeted out a list of Galaxy Z Fold 4 specs they described as 100% accurate, and the under-display camera was still listed as a 4 megapixel sensor.